Hi guys, this is Tracey here from Lavinia Stamps, and today we're going to be using the round gel press and the colour box and the brushes. One of my most favourite techniques at the moment, as you probably already know. We're going to be using the olive colour box today, so inking at the brayer, it's really that quick and easy to achieve fabulous backgrounds using this technique. Fan brush, preferably clean water, unlike mine, and then we're just going to start picking up some of the colours from our brushes that we've watered down. Take a little bit of that colour off first. We want some really fine spatters on the gel press. This gives it more of a sort of organic textured background. You put too much water and too much colour on, it kind of just sort of melts into each other and you can end up with a bit of a brown murky mess. So try and keep your colours separate and just don't put too much on. But you know, try it. That's the best advice I can give you, is just to try different techniques and you will find what works for you. Now you don't have to use the round gel press, that's entirely up to you. You can use any shapes. There's a lot of different shapes out there. I'm lucky enough to have them all, and I love every single shape. It's funny, you have your favourites for a while and then you get another size, but I think the round ones are fabulous. Okay, so we've got our background sorted, so I'm just going to bob some multifarious card over the top, smooth that over. And there's our background. So quick and so easy, and it looks like you've spent hours creating it. That's the beauty of it. Your friends would be impressed. Okay, so that's dry, ready to go, ready to stamp onto now. So today we're going to be using our woodland mushroom. So picking up the Nocturne Black, inking that up. Make sure that's covered, and then we're just going to pop that down like so. Give that a good press, hold it on there for a while, let it absorb into the card, let it just sit. There we go. And we're going to use our lovely little hare stamp. This is Pipin, and we're going to bob him on top of our woodland mushroom. I do love hares. Hares are just beautiful. Make sure he's completely covered. I'm hoping to bring out another range of hares in the new year. I'm working on them at the moment. They're just so fabulous. In fact, we've just bought some ceramic hares into our gallery at the moment, which people are loving, by a very talented lady. So if you are in the area in North Wales, in Ruthin, do come and see us, because we've got a fantastic shop and gallery now. We have moved, as some of you know, and we're looking at doing workshops. So yeah, it'll be an exciting year next year, very busy one, but very exciting. So, but yeah, if you're in the vicinity and you want to call in, just pop in and come and see us. Moving on. Okay, I'm going to just trim this down now. What should we put around the edge of this one? Let's do some fir cones. So this time we shall ink up in, let's do the VersaFine Shady Lane. Around the edge there. In fact, I'll stamp off on that one. Just give that bit of a shadow. Like so. And where's our little moon? Let's pop that over the top, and then we shall use the monarch. And again, take a little bit of that ink off. You don't want it to be too much. And then we're just going to go around the edge and just flick from the centre out, and this will ensure you don't get any lines. Work your way around. The acetate's quite nice for the moon, simply because you can see where you're placing it. There we go. And again, we're going to use our worded stamp just to go around the edge of the card. So monarch, I'm going to stamp off. And then moving back to the shady lane, I'm going to go and blend around the edge of the card. Again, that's just another really quick and simple technique. Just going to highlight the gills on the mushrooms just with this white gel pen. And then a little bit of glitter. That's me, mucky fingers. I've just created a mark on that. I'm not the cleanest of workers. Okay, so I'm just going around the edge of the moon now. Now, I know some of you have said, oh, I've not got a steady hand going around the edge, and you're not confident enough. So a nice easy way is to just dot around the edge. Okay, dot closely next to each other. A few little dots around, and then we'll sprinkle some of that magic dust over the top. Going for a blue and a purple, the blue being the finer glitter, and then we've got a lovely purple, coarse purple within it. So just tap off, and there we have it. Hope you can see that effect of the glitter. It's just a dusting, but what a sparkle. So just ignore that. Whoops. Okay guys, another quick easy card, something I just wanted to share with you. I appreciate you joining me today and watching me create that. So thanks guys, and see you again soon. Take care for now. Bye.